How to track your Telegram bot's customer sources. Use tracking links. OnlyTG Echo has rolled out a brand new feature. You can generate multiple unique links to share across different promotion channels. When customers click the corresponding link to connect with you, they'll be automatically tagged with the matching source label. This will help you easily evaluate the performance of each promotion channel. So how do you use the tracking links feature? First, click the Open App button on @EchoOnBot to access the console. Or directly visit app.onlytg.io in your browser. Once in the console, click My Bots in the left menu. Find the Detail column on the far right of your bot's information. Then click Tracking Links under More. Next, click Add New Source. Enter a source name, for example, Google, and click OK. Generate as many sources as you need. Now you'll find these links in the Tracking Link column. Use them for your planned channels. When customers activate your bot by clicking different links, you'll know exactly which channel the customer came from. The console also counts the number of customers for each source. The Tracking Links feature is exclusive to the professional plan and above. Upgrade your account now and start tracking your customer sources with Tracking Links. Build your own Telegram bot today. We will continue releasing updates for Telegram business and marketing features,